Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English. We're so glad to have you here with us today. Today, we're going to learn about Eid celebrations. Eid is one of the most joyous occasions for Muslims around the world, filled with traditions, delicious food, and heartfelt moments. Eid is a special festival for Muslims around the world. It brings together families, friends, and communities in a spirit of unity and happiness. Let's get started. There's so much to learn and enjoy about this beautiful festival. First, let's talk about the meaning of Eid. Understanding the significance of the word itself can give us a deeper appreciation of the celebrations. The word Eid means festival or celebration in Arabic. It's a time of joy, reflection, and gratitude. There are two main Eids, Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Each has its own unique significance and traditions. Today we'll focus on Eid al-Fitr. This festival marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. Eid al-Fitr is also called the festival of breaking the fast. It's a time to come together and celebrate the end of a month of fasting and spiritual reflection. It marks the end of Ramadan, the holy month of fasting. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset, refraining from eating and drinking. During Ramadan, Muslims fast from sunrise to sunset. This practice is meant to teach self-discipline, self-control, and empathy for those who are less fortunate. When Ramadan ends, it's time to celebrate. The joy of Eid is felt in every corner of the Muslim world. On the morning of Eid, Muslims go to the mosque for a special prayer called Salat al-Eid. This prayer is a significant part of the Eid celebrations. They wear their best clothes and greet each other with Eid Mubarak. This greeting means Blessed Eid or Happy Eid. This means Blessed Eid or Happy Eid. It's a way to wish others well and share in the joy of the occasion. After the prayer, families and friends gather to share a big meal. This meal is often the first daytime meal after a month of fasting. Traditional foods vary by country, but they are always delicious. Each region has its own special dishes that are prepared for Eid. Some popular dishes include biryani, kebabs, and sweets like baklava and dates. These foods are often prepared with great care and shared with loved ones. Giving gifts is also a big part of Eid. It's a way to show love and appreciation for family and friends. Children often receive money or new clothes. This tradition brings a lot of excitement and joy to the younger members of the family. It's a time for joy and generosity. The spirit of Eid is all about sharing happiness and being kind to one another. People also give to the poor and needy, showing kindness and compassion. This act of charity is known as Zakat al-Fitr, and it ensures that everyone can join in the celebrations. Now let's practice some English words related to Eid. This will help you talk about the festival with your friends and family. Repeat after me, Eid Mubarak. This is a common greeting during Eid, fasting, mosque, prayer, celebration. These words are often used when talking about Eid. Great job, you've learned some important words that will help you understand and talk about Eid. Remember, learning English can be fun and easy. By exploring different cultures and traditions, we can make our language learning journey even more exciting. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to our channel, Easy English. Your support helps us create more educational content for you. We have many more videos to help you learn. Check out our other lessons to continue improving your English skills. Thanks for watching, and Eid Mubarak. See you next time. Enjoy the celebrations and keep learning.